Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control lawnmower. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started, from charging the battery to mowing your lawn like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, before using the machine, make sure to charge the battery fully. Here's the charging port so you can plug it in and let it charge up. To get started, turn on the power switch on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, you can go forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. The cutting blade height of the wheel mower can be adjusted manually. Adjustment method: remove the 6 screws on the inner side of the 4 wheels. After adjusting to the desired height, fix the screws on the wheels. Now let's start the engine for mowing. Pull start the engine. Now you can enjoy your mowing with the machine. After mowing, we need to stop the engine with the stop button on the control panel. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself, followed by the power switch on the remote control. And that's it. You're now ready to go out there and mow your lawn with ease. Thanks for watching.